If you're asking yourself whether Zyro or Spocket is better for global dropshipping, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of both platforms so you'll know exactly which one is best for your business. Stick around, because by the end of this, I'll be revealing an alternative that might just blow both of these out of the water. Let's start with Zyro. It's an all-in-one e-commerce platform that lets you create an online store and start selling in no time. What sets it apart is how easy it is to use, especially for beginners. The drag and drop interface allows anyone, even if you're new to the game, to set up a functional store without much hassle. But here's the thing, while Zyro is simple, it might feel too basic if you're looking for more advanced features to scale your business. Next, let's talk about Spocket. It's more specialized, focused specifically on dropshipping, and it connects you with suppliers, primarily in the US and Europe. The real draw with Spocket is the quality of the products. You can access premium suppliers who offer faster shipping times compared to traditional suppliers from China, making it great for targeting customers in Western countries. But there's a catch, it's not as beginner-friendly as Zyro. While the platform does offer a lot of features, the setup can be more complex, and you might need a bit more technical know-how to get everything running smoothly. The third thing to consider is pricing. With Zyro, you get affordable plans, which are excellent if you're just starting out and want to test the waters. They offer a lot of value for the price, but the downside is that once your business grows, Zyro's plans might limit you in terms of advanced features, integrations, and scalability. On the other hand, Spocket offers tiered pricing, where the entry-level plan gives you access to some basic features, but if you want access to premium suppliers or larger product catalogs, you'll need to opt for their higher plans, which can get pricey. So, if budget is tight, Zyro might be a better starting point, but Spocket could be worth the investment once you start scaling up. The fourth thing to keep in mind is customer support. Zyro offers 24/7 support, which is a plus for anyone new to dropshipping who might need extra help along the way. But the support can be a bit generic and not as tailored to dropshipping specific questions. Spocket, however, offers more specialized support when it comes to dropshipping, and they even have dedicated teams that help with supplier issues, order tracking, and product imports. It's a better choice if you're aiming for a smoother, more streamlined experience. Next, we need to talk about integrations. Zyro integrates with several e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce, which is great if you want flexibility. However, when it comes to advanced dropshipping features, it's a bit limited. Spocket, on the other hand, integrates seamlessly with Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easier to sync products directly to your store. But the downside is that Spocket doesn't offer as many integrations as Zyro, which might be a deal breaker if you plan to use other platforms. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While Zyro and Spocket are solid platforms, neither of them is perfect for global dropshipping, especially when you factor in ease of use, supplier options, and scalability. That's why after trying both of these myself, I would recommend you check out the alternative in the description below. It offers a better combination of user-friendliness, global supplier access, and scalability, along with a free trial that gives you exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. To recap, Zyro is perfect for beginners on a budget, but lacks advanced dropshipping features, while Spocket shines in the product quality and shipping speed department, but requires more technical skills and a higher budget to scale. If you want something that truly combines the best of both worlds, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Trust me, it's worth a shot, and it's the perfect solution if you want to take your global dropshipping business to the next level.